thought it'd be quite helpful just to zoom in a little bit closer on that painting that I just demonstrated in the Seeing Clearly number 12, just so you can get a better idea of the layering of some of those paint blobs and the way that I was using the scraper to expose the colours underneath. Look at those gorgeous oranges that are being just sort of poking through with the green over the top. And then up to the edge of the canvas. So you see right through the middle there, the sideways marks. And then the dark greens. And then on this side, I love leaving areas of white, and I know that I'm going to go back in and add some more lightness. But by having the green marks following like the contours of the paint, instantly our eye starts to see tree forms and natural forms over a hillside. And this is the area that I think was probably quite hard to notice from a distance. See that sort of jaggedy edge and some of those vertical marks in pink and yellow, a little bit of peachy tones, which might end up becoming rock forms. And then from a distance, yeah, our eye starts to see really interesting shapes emerging and contours. So I'll definitely be working back into that with a lot of additional light and shade. Love what's happening through the center here, almost as if there are some roads and pathways emerging, which I want to accentuate with the next stage. So I'll see you in the next one.